laughed at you. They doubted you. They said you'd never make it. They thought you were weak, that you'd break, that you'd give up like everyone else. But they didn't know who they were dealing with. While they were busy talking, you were busy working. While they slept, you sacrificed. While they doubted, you built. They thought you would fail, but failure only made you stronger. Every setback, a lesson. Every rejection, more fuel. Now look at you, rising, winning, becoming everything they said you couldn't be. And now, they regret it. The same ones who mocked you are the ones watching in silence. The same ones who ignored you are now desperate for your attention. Funny how that works, isn't it? So let them doubt. Let them underestimate you. Because one day, your success will be the only thing they can hear. Prove them wrong.